Okay, before we start, we need to know what hormones involved during parturition. There are 4 hormones involved during parturitions. First, progesterone, second, estrogen, third, oxytocin, and fourth, prostaglandins. Function of hormones involved during parturition. First, hormone progesterone. Progesterone secreted by placenta. Function progesterone to level drops off at the end of pregnancy, stimulates the beginning of contraction that will lead to birth. And next, estrogen. Estrogen also secreted by placenta. Function estrogen is to trigger the formation of oxytocin receptors on the myometrium. Next, hormone oxytocin. Oxytocin secreted by fetus and mother's posterior pituitary. Function oxytocin to stimulate powerful contractions by the smooth muscle of the uterus and stimulate the placenta to secrete prostaglandin. Next, prostaglandin. Prostaglandin secreted by placenta. Function prostaglandin is to enhance contraction of smooth muscle of the uterus. Last week of pregnancy, estrogen concentration increase. Therefore, estrogen will trigger the formation of oxytocin receptors under uterus, under myometrium. The uterus will be more sensitive to oxytocin. Oxytocin from the fetus and mother's posterior pituitary will be released and stimulate uterus to contraction. Oxytocin also stimulates the placenta to make prostaglandins. Prostaglandins will stimulate more vigorous contraction of uterus. During parturition, the physical and emotional stress caused by the uterine muscle contraction will stimulate the secretion of additional prostaglandins and more secretion of additional oxytocin. First, estradiol from the placenta re-energizes the uterus for a response to oxytocin. Second, the fetus head pushing against the cervix activates stretch-sensitive sensory neurons that send stimulatory signals to the mother's hypothalamus. The hypothalamus stimulates a secretion of oxytocin from the posterior pituitary gland. And fourth, oxytocin stimulates stronger uterine contraction. The fifth, prostaglandin secreted by the uterus also enhance contraction. Sensory input to the hypothalamus is further enhanced by contraction.